Hey everyone, I am Midshipman Makalindong Lawrence Ivan, and I am going to demonstrate on how to announce distress message, urgency message, and safety message. So let's start. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Motor Tanker Luffy. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Alpha. MMSI 39000 1813. Position latitude 75 degree 11 decimal 2 minutes north, longitude 007 degree 13 decimal 2 minutes east. My vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. Pan 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 pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Motor Tanker Luffy. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Lima. Larger black tanker appears not under command. It is heading for South Bridge Harbor. It may collide with bridge pylon. Unknown tanker, change course immediately. Over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Motor Tanker Luffy. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Alpha. 3 drifting containers observed in position 35 degrees 11 minutes north and 005 degrees 40 minutes west. Ships in the area, keep a sharp lookout. Over.